Can businesses in highly regulated industries really migrate to the cloud worry-free? After all, they're limited by security and compliance requirements. And there are genuine concerns about the complexity of migration, not to mention the ongoing maintenance of a new system. With the right provider, you can use the power of cloud processing to derive new insights, automate business processes, and spark innovation, all without compromising security. SAP National Security Services Incorporated, or SAP NS2, is a wholly owned subsidiary of SAP that provides FedRAMP-Certified SAP Solutions running on FedRAMP-certified infrastructure from hyperscale partners like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Our team is 100% U.S. citizens operating on U.S. soil. We deliver support with a deep understanding of regulatory landscapes and compliance requirements. SAP NS2 takes the uncertainty out of migrating to the cloud. With the right provider and platform in place, your business can prepare for the future of data-driven innovation and become an intelligent enterprise.